In this piano tutorial, I want to share a song that I actually first heard on TikTok, and I really like this song because it can serve us pianists as an exercise to practice our finger independence, our dexterity, or even practice our arpeggios, right? It's not that difficult to learn, but I'll be sharing it and also sharing a variation that you can do, and also going a little bit into the theory behind the voicings that are used for this song, which make it sound very distinct. Okay, so it sounds something like this. Just to preface, we're going to be starting on the 4, right? We're in E major. This song basically just goes from the 4 to the 3, then the 2, and then the 1 chord. And it sounds something like this. You've probably heard it. If you know it, you can leave it in the comments. I'll probably have it in the title as well. So as you can see, it's not that difficult. We're just playing 4 chords, but the main thing behind this progression is the way that we are arpeggiating the chords. Okay, so let's start off with the chords actually. I'll move it down here so that we can see it better. We start off with this arpeggio, right? And the pattern is very simple. It's the same for all 4 chords. The way we're playing our left hand and the way that we're playing our right hand. The left hand in this case, right, we're going to be playing this chord, A major. And the pattern that we're doing is very simple. But the right hand, right, we're going to be playing this chord, and we're just going to be going up and down. And if we combine both, we get that. But what happens if we combine all of the notes together? What chord are we actually playing? Right, as you can see, this voicing that we're using is an A major 13, and we're using this as sort of a different chord structure, I guess we can call it, for A major or for the 4, and it gives it a different type of sound, right? Then we move on to the 3, which in this case the left hand moves down to an A flat minor. The right hand is going to be playing an E major 6, right? And we basically follow the same exact pattern. Right, but what is the entire chord altogether? Right, this 3 chord is actually implying, right, if we add an E to the bass, we're actually implying an E major 7 13, right? So we're basically playing a 4 to a 1 over 3, voiced in this way, okay? Then there is sort of a passing chord or a passing pattern, I guess we can call it, or arpeggio, where we're playing the same exact chord, same exact pattern on the 3. But for the last pass or go around, we're going to change a single note. We're going to change this A flat to a G. And it's sort of serving as a passing, which will lead us to the 2, which is this chord right here. Right, left hand is going to be playing an F sharp minor, and the right hand is going to be playing these 4 notes, okay? And the same pattern again, same pattern for the left hand, same pattern for the right hand. Right, and throughout, I forgot to mention, we're going to be sustaining the chord just to give it a different effect, right? And as you can see, this chord, all of the notes together, gives us the voicing of an F sharp minor 7 or minor 11, okay? And we can actually use these same voicings in other songs, right? For example, let's say we wanted to play a 2-5-1, right? I'm digressing, but this would be the 2, the 5, and then we're back to the 1, right? Just different voicings that we can learn from different songs to apply them to songs that we know, okay? So then the last chord, right? We were on the 2. We move on to the 1, which is voiced in this way, right? We have a E major in the left hand, and in the right hand we're playing these 4 notes, which are basically just the extensions to the chord, and together this chord is basically an E major 9, okay? So all together. Right? So like I said, we can also do a variation to this. It's a little bit more advanced because we're going to be stretching our left hand a little bit more. So basically the right hand is going to stay the same. We're going to be playing all 4 patterns or all 4 exact notes the same way. But the left hand is going to be playing this, right? Instead of playing the original 4 chords, we're going to be playing them in a drop 2 voicing, okay? We're going to be playing an A major like this. Then for the 3, we're going to be playing an A flat minor like this. And then for the passing chord, we're doing the same exact thing. We're going to use the G instead of the A flat. So this G augmented, we can call it. Then for the 2, we're going to play an F sharp minor. And for the 1, an E major, okay? And we're using the same exact pattern where we're playing the first 3 notes. So I'll demonstrate it better, right? So that you guys can understand it. We're going to be playing this pattern. Sorry. And then the 1. Then when we add the right hand, and that's just one of the many variations that we can do to this song. Hopefully you're able to take this and practice it and be able to develop stronger fingers, learn a different type of independence for your fingers, okay? So quick reminder, I have a piano course available. It's the first link in the description. There I teach 11 gospel jazz progressions that you can use in your daily playing, all right? Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you aren't subscribed, I encourage you to subscribe so you can keep receiving these types of videos.